Alright guys, today I got a Airsoft unboxing for you. This is just something small. I think this is something small. I don't really know what this is because I ordered a bunch of things. But this is one thing. I usually don't order from Airsplat, but this is, if this is what I'm thinking of, this was the cheapest. I couldn't find this for this cheap anywhere else, so I went there. And so let's just get on with the unboxing. Alright, get these shipping papers out of the way. Coupon stuff. Got some paper. And what I ordered. This is the mask, the wire mesh mask I had ordered. This was about $9. Has a bunch of Russian on it. So, yeah, that's it for my Airsoft unboxing today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.